You've probably heard that protective styles help your hair grow. But here's the thing. Not every protective style is actually protecting your hair. In fact, some of the most common beliefs about protective styling can actually lead to more breakage, more tangles, and an unhealthy scalp. Today, we're going to separate the myths from the facts so you can understand what actually makes a hairstyle protective. Before we talk about the myths, let's define what a protective style is supposed to do. A protective style helps reduce manipulation, protects the ends of your hair, and minimizes unnecessary breakage. But just because a hairstyle is called protective doesn't mean it's accomplishing those things. How the style is installed, maintained, and removed all play a role in whether it's actually protecting your hair. This is probably the biggest misconception. Protective styling isn't just about covering your hair. If a style is installed too tightly, causes constant tension, or makes your scalp sore, it can contribute to breakage, especially around the hairline. A protective style should allow you to reduce manipulation without placing unnecessary stress on your hair or scalp. Another common myth is that leaving a protective style in for months will help your hair grow even more. In reality, protective styles still require maintenance. Your scalp continues producing oil. Hair naturally sheds every day, and your hair still needs cleansing. If a style is left in for too long, shed hairs, product buildup, and tangles can become much harder to manage. That's why many stylists recommend removing protective styles at an appropriate interval instead of leaving them in indefinitely. Protective styles don't change how fast your hair grows. Hair growth happens at the scalp. What protective styles can do is help you retain more length by reducing everyday breakage. For many people, that's why their hair appears to grow faster. They're simply keeping more of the growth they already have. Another misconception is that you shouldn't wash your hair while it's in a protective style. Your scalp doesn't stop producing oil just because your hair is braided, twisted, or under a weave. Keeping your scalp clean is still an important part of maintaining healthy hair. Exactly how you cleanse it will depend on the style, but ignoring your scalp for weeks or months usually isn't the best approach. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that there isn't one protective style that's right for everyone. Your hair density, strand thickness, curl pattern, lifestyle, and even how active you are can all influence which styles work best for you. You'll also notice that certain styles, like weaves, have become very popular because many celebrities have shared how they use them to leave their natural hair alone for extended periods of time. But even then, those styles still require maintenance, regular removal, and healthy hair practices underneath. No style stays protective forever. Protective styling can absolutely be a part of a healthy hair routine, but the hairstyle itself is only one part of the equation. The real goal is reducing manipulation while continuing to care for your hair and your scalp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Then check out the companion blog post linked below, where I'll go into even more detail about protective styles, maintenance, and common mistakes. You can also follow me on Pinterest for more curly hair tips, educational guides, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.